Hey, I hope you're having an awesome day. I wanted to check to see how some older seeds would do. So I have two different kinds of tomato seeds. And on this one you can see the last time I planted them was April of 2013. And this says on the back of it, pack for 2013, sell by 11/13. So the way to check it, I wrap these seeds in a paper towel, so I'm going to unwrap them right now. I have them wrapped in foil to keep the light off of them, because tomatoes don't need light to germinate. So I'm just going to turn the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. So these are, it says Pomodoro on the back, but these are, they're Roma tomatoes, basically. So on 3/11, I did it. Today's the 18th, so it's been exactly a week. Oh my, I already see there's some germinating. They have grown through the paper towel. So I have waited way too long. I should have checked them every couple of days. Definitely viable seed. Oh my, look. Look at that. Look at all those seeds. So it is 2022, and these seeds are from 2013. So guys, this is 11 years old. These seeds are 11 years old, so those are really good. So that's one brand of them. Let's check the other ones. Oh yeah, they work too. Ooh, look at that. Now, I don't know if these will be the ones that have grown through. I'm afraid that I've ripped their roots and I don't know if they will grow. I will put them in some soil and find out. I'll try to take some smaller ones. So here's my lesson to you for today. Check every few days, not once a week. Look at all those. We're going to put these into some soil and see what happens. So these are some new trays that I picked up at Walmart. I wanted to give them a try because, normally I like to do soil blocks. But since these seedlings have already germinated, this will be something good to try. It says that they are professional root development system. So what they've done is made them hexagon, and there are ridges in here. And that's supposed to help the roots from circling around inside of there. So we're going to give them a try and see how they do. And that's where I'm going to put some of these tomato seedlings in here. These trays come with the cell packs, and they will break apart. I don't need to do that now, and the humidity top, which is awesome. A lot of times the trays don't come. And then a solid tray to catch the water. So, put some soil in here. If you watched my last video, you know that I sterilize my soil for all my seedlings. I'm trying not to make a mess here. In the microwave. I'm just going to spread it around here a little bit. Trying to not make a mess because I am on my kitchen counter and I didn't put anything under it, but now I'm going to I don't want it tight, but I want them full. That looks pretty good. Okay, so I think this will be interesting. I think I'll do a little divot. Since these are tomato seedlings, I'm going to bury most of the white part of this seedling. kind of scared. Okay. You know, tomatoes, when we plant them up on top of, you know, as far as we plant it pretty deep because the hairs on there will produce roots. And so I'm hoping this works the same. Looking at these again, I'd say that's a pretty good germination rate. I'm going to say probably 70% of them germinated on that one. This one, yeah, probably at least 70%. That's pretty good. So I'll spray them in, give them a little bit of water. And I will put them directly, I'll just put the lights real low because they're kind of spindly. As you can see, here's what we have. And then I'll check back in about a week and see how they're doing.